Hi guys, Linnea here. Guess what we're doing today? A little unboxing. Yay! We went to the local metaphysical shop and got some goodies, so we wanted to share with you. So my daughter Amanda got some really cool things. Do you want to show your stuff?
Yeah.
Okay. Show. Let's save that one. That one's the coolest. Let's go this way.
This one's my favorite.
Yeah, we're going to do yours.
They're all my favorites.
Well, if that's your favorite, do these first. Too late.
Too late.
Talk loud because the mic's.
This is a hematite sphere. It's just a circle, but it's solid hematite. And hematite's my favorite stone. It's beautiful. And I've never ever seen a sphere, and I've never seen a hematite this big. Hematites are typically really small. The stones are small, and you can't usually find them like this. This is amazing. I'm so excited about it.
Show them how it stands on.
It has a little stand. She gave me the stand with it. It just sits on the stand.
Yeah, isn't that cool? That's her favorite stone, always has been since she was a little tyke.
Tyke?
Yeah, a little tyke. Talk loud.
This is quartz. See how this is why I thought it was cut. Look
It's
at
not.
the edges, and that's an imperfection of it.
I don't think it's cut.
This is quartz. It's so clear. It's amazing. Mom, put it closer.
She just wants you to see how clear it is. It's just really a clear quartz. Clear quartz, get it? Ha ha ha. Isn't that beautiful? Just a beautiful specimen.
Anyway, I have quartz already, but this one just really talked to me when I hold it. I can like feel it vibrating in my hand. And this last one is just a pendulum, but the reason that I got it is because it's an amethyst pendulum, and it's raw amethyst. It's not polished. And typically when you buy amethyst, you don't find them raw like that.
And it's not a point, it's just a raw piece of amethyst. Come on, focus. There you go. Yeah, it's beautiful. Beautiful piece.
Yep. And then the last thing.
Okay, now this is her.
This is the last thing I got, and this is the coolest thing. I saw this. Actually, we paid for everything else, and I saw this on
Yeah,
the
we
way
were
out,
leaving. We were out.
and I had to have it. It's gorgeous. This is a chakra wand, and Mom, put it closer. So this is quartz at the bottom and quartz at the top, and there's chakra stones all down here. And then we can't decide if this is a stone or if it's petrified wood, but it's a solid wand. It's really, really beautiful.
I'm pretty sure it's petrified wood, but so here's the quartz at the top, which is a small sphere, and then the chakra stones. So you've got your violet and your lapis. So this is an amethyst, this is lapis, this is a turquoise. I believe that's a moonstone,
Looks like it.
a citrine, and a jasper, I think. No, carnelian, and then jasper. And then it's quartz again. And I'm fairly sure, you can tell by the marking on here, I'm fairly sure that that is, if I can get the glare off it, that is petrified wood. It is stone, but it looks just like wood. I'm fairly sure it's petrified. It's a beautiful piece. It's just a beautiful piece. Let you see it in its entirety. Isn't that gorgeous? Yes. She got that walking out because we were done and leaving, and she saw that and she was like, hold it.
Yeah, I can't believe that. And it was a good price. I mean,
$40.
I'm sure that I'll never ever find one like this again for that good of a price.
You can tell them how much things were. People like to know.
Well, this one we found, it was $40. This little quartz here was $11. The sphere was a lot, but like I said, I've never seen one this big.
It wasn't a lot.
And it was $20.
That's not a lot. That's inexpensive.
Well, hematite's typically not that expensive, but it's never that big, so that's why. And then the pendulum was only 15.
Yep. Yep.
And do your stuff now.
Okay. She made out like a bandit. So did I. So I told you guys what I was picking up today, and I got that. But... but... I got some other stuff, too. I'm going to pull it all out and then do it.
Hey, when this is over, do you want to work on making more rings?
Okay. Okay. So the first thing I'm going to show you, I actually carried home in my pocket. Because I can't believe I got it, and because it felt so good. And so when you look at it like this, it just looks like a rock. But when you look at it like
I don't know if
this...
you're going to see it on the light, Mom. Oh, maybe right there, if you can kind of see it.
Can you see the sheen in it at all? It is a blue tiger's eye. And I don't know if the camera's catching it or not. I don't think it is. But it's a blue tiger's eye.
Ooh, maybe you can take some really good pictures of it with my phone camera and then post them on a comment on the video.
Yeah, maybe. A blue tiger's eye. Who could pass that up? I couldn't believe it. I'd seen them online. I wish you could see the sheen in it.
That's why I'm saying picture.
I will. I've seen them online, but I never saw one in person. So when I saw it, and the price was good, it was $10. But to be quite honest, she didn't end up charging us because she actually just missed it. And she said it was meant to be, so she wasn't going to go back and charge us. So I wasn't going to argue with that. Oh, these are yours.
Oh, I forgot. So because I bought that hematite sphere, she gifted these to me. And these are hematite spheres, but they're magnetic. They're the magnetic spheres, but they're also hematite. And they're smaller. They're little. So look at, compared to this one, how little these are.
Yeah. Big difference. Okay, so then, I heard that. So then I got this beautiful piece of selenite for $2. I couldn't pass $2 up, and because it was such a good price, I got 2. So I got 2 of those beautiful pieces, just like that. So I got 2 of those. I don't know what to show first next because I'm so excited about all of it. So
Show those.
I'm gonna show the wands because everybody knew I was getting that. So I'm gonna show you my selenite wand. It's so beautiful. Look at that. It's so gorgeous. I love it. And the sheen in there is so adorable. Look at that. Look at that shine. And the point is nice and pointy, and I got it so I could carve my candles. That's what I wanted it for. I wanted one forever. So I got that. I got the other 2 pieces of selenite. And then I got these. I think they're called, I'm going to remember because I call them something wrong every time, but I think they're called Lemur stones. Lemur stones. And I got 6 of those. And they were only $1 each. Now I've seen them online in a set for like 25 bucks. So when she said $1 each, I got 6. I got 6. I'm thrifty like that. And this is my piece de resistance today. Look at that baby. Isn't that gorgeous? That is black tourmaline. She said she's had it for, what'd she say, 5 years?
Yeah, years.
She said she's had it for like 5 years, and nobody's even given it a second glance.
Same
and
with
so
the
she
chakra one. She said she had it for years and years, and no one ever bought it.
She was just waiting for the right person to want it. So she had $50 on it. And I thought, well, for $50 I can't buy that. She said, I'm going to tell you what, though. I'm going to give it to you for 30 if you want it. And I said, sold. It is just a beautiful, beautiful piece. And when I hold it, I waver. I can feel so much energy from it. And it's drawing so much out of me. Just a great haul. So we got a great haul here of so much stuff that is so nice. And I'm going to put the website in the information bar because they do sell online. And I'm going to show you the haul here. Look at that. Isn't that a great haul?
The website's on that one. That should be
Yeah,
on
it is. I'm going to put it in the information bar though. So that was our haul today. We went to the metaphysical store and came home with a load of great stuff and goodies. And oh yeah, let's not forget those. So I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope you have a great afternoon. And I hope you stay cool wherever you're at, because in California it's going to be close to 100 today already. So I will talk to you very soon. Love you guys. Love you dearly. Have a good one. Bye-bye.